Light language. Activate the throat chakra. Let's go. Everybody who listens to this will react differently. Accept the transmission. Accept all of the things that are coming your way. We're going to get rid of some blockages and activate your throat so you can speak however you want to speak. Ready? Tete ia sia yo koia naka ia sia yo koia sia yo koia naka takato rea yo so yo koia to kotor ayo so se ia. It was like a lock, a keypad lock to get into this sacred area. Titi ia sia ia ko ia sia yo ko ia sia nakate ia sia nakoto ayo so. Excuse me. Ayo so. Titi ia sia sia yo ko ayo sia yo ko ayo so ayo sia. Oya sia ya karea. Soya sasa siya rea yo koya sia. Raya yo ko sia na ka titike ia ya sia yo koya sia yo koya sia na ka titike taka. Sia yo ko se ia kaya ko se ia karea yo so. Oneke sineke te ia ika ayo so aya ka rea yo kone ke te si ia ka rea ko sineke te ia sana kata kata se aya kone kate ia se ayo ko rea sono koto ia se ayo ko re se ia ka si ia ka se te koto go. Everyone who is meant to be in your life is. Everyone that is meant to teach you a lesson will. Sometimes a lesson is standing on your own business, saying what you mean what you say, stand firm on what you are saying. It's okay if people leave. When they leave, their lesson with you is completed, and it is time that you will now find others more fit for you in your next lesson. And it will continue with your lessons with boundaries and understanding your own intuition that you will always be in the right place at the right time, doing the right things. Somebody is in a medical field or this will be perceived as a psychic surgery on your throat with long-lasting benefits. Ayaso oyaka ayasana ko ayasa ayaka ayako si You're going to sleep really good. Tiki ESC. Cool. And I hear something about nightmares. Yeah, so yeah, cause yeah, uyoko, yeah, yeah, so uyoko, yes, yeah, yoko, yeah, sayoko, yeah, yo, yeah, go, yeah, yoko, I so yoko, take yes, yeah, yoko. They may dissipate. I koya si kaya yokoya si yokoya naka. You are supported. I hear sleepy time tea. Now you will be able to get some rest. Because when we dream, we are active and not really resting. And to constantly be dreaming means you are not resting well. Lavender will be good for you. Blue pea, butterfly pea tea, and mint. Ayase yokoi ayakarayo yokosi ika. Tune in with the vibration of these items and let them come into your field as fit. Seoko siakarayo. Ayaso ayake ayokosi ayokosi aka. Ayoso no kotoko iasayoko ayasi iya. Kai koraya yokosi iya kasa na koto kite iasaka ayoso. I feel like this transmission was also for me as well. I'm glad I did it. Drop in the comments how it went for you. Have a great day.